Here's a train heat pump system, about 13 years old now. Manufactured in 2012. Looks like a 5-ton, something like that. 5-ton. Yeah, look how dirty this coil is.
Yeah, maybe it should be brushed off so the air flows better. What do you think?
Well, you really can't brush it off. You have to hit it actually with the garden hose. You gotta hose it down. And I recommend doing this regularly so you don't run into issues like this. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but the coil looks quite dirty.